Okay, I'm going to go ahead and find the lateral area of this cone. And I did a little Google search here, and anytime I'm dealing with surface area and volume, it's always a formula type problem. And I found this diagram with the formula for surface area and the formula for volume here. We're going to be doing lateral area, which is just the sides of the cone. So subtract the bottom here. And they do have a formula for this. It's pi times r, which is radius, times s, which stands for the slant height. I have half the equation already. I know I can figure out the radius because I do know the diameter here, and half of 4 is 2. So now I know this, and I can plug it in right here. But what I don't know is the slant height. I apologize if my s's look like 5s, but that's an s. You should notice here that I do have a right triangle. So in order to find that slant height, I'm going to go ahead and use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I plug in 2 for my a, I plug in 8 for my b, equals s squared. I'll go ahead and replace that c right now with s, which is slant height. That gives me 4 plus 64 equals s squared, which is 68 equals s squared. Now, don't use the number 68. Don't forget I have to get s by itself and get rid of that little square there by square rooting the opposite side. And when I plug this into a calculator, I get s is approximately equal to 8.2462. Now, it's important in the program it asks you to round all intermediate values to 4 decimal places. So that means when I get to my final answer, they want a whole number, but anywhere in the math, they want 4 decimal places. So I'm going to go ahead and plug that into my formula. Lateral area equals pi times 2 times 8.2462. And when I plug that in, I get the lateral area is approximately equal to 51.8124. Now, it wants my final answer as a whole number, so I would round that up, and my final answer would be the lateral area is 52 feet squared, or square feet.